Welcome back to the terminal. Let's open Lesson 2 of Module 1. In this session, we're decoding IPv4 and binary and getting to the heart of how IP addresses really work under the hood. Because here's the truth. Humans read addresses in decimal, but devices only ever see 32 bits of raw power. Master those bits and everything that comes next, subnetting, masks, address planning, falls into place. So let's start with the basic anatomy. Take a familiar address like 192.168.1.10. What looks like four small numbers is actually 32 bits, grouped into four 8-bit octets. Each octet can hold any value from 0 to 255, which is exactly what 8 bits give you. Multiply it out, 4 octets times 8 bits, and you land on roughly 4.3 billion possible IPv4 addresses. Decimal is just the human-friendly skin. Underneath, your router is reading those ones and zeros. Now, let's crack open one of those octets. Every bit sits in a fixed position, and each position carries a weight. 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1, left to right, always in that order. To convert, you just add up the place values wherever you see a 1. So this example, 11,000,000,000 is simply 128 plus 64, which gives you 192. Memorize those 8 numbers and you've basically won the game. Now let's run it both ways. Going decimal to binary, you walk down the place values asking, does it fit? 200 is bigger than 128. So that's a 1, leaving 72. 72 beats 64, another 1, leaving 8. Skip 32 and 16, grab the 8, and pad the rest with zeros, 1100, 1000. Going the other way is even easier. Just add the place values under every one. 10101100 gives you 128 plus 32 plus 8 plus 4, which is 172. Drill 5 of each daily, and the speed will come. With the binary mechanics in your pocket, let's zoom out to the address space itself. Classes A, B, and C are the legacy way we carve up IPv4. A covers 1 through 126 with a 8, B runs 128 to 191 with a 16, and C handles 192 through 223 with a 24. But the ones you'll actually type every day are the private ranges from RFC 1918. 10.anything, 172.16 through 172.31, and 192.168.anything. Burn those 3 into memory. They're not routable on the public internet, and they're behind virtually every network you'll ever touch. And that wraps Lesson 2. Next up, we pick up exactly where binary leaves off, subnet masks, and the line they draw between the network portion and the host portion of every address. If this session clicked for you, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so the next command lands in your feed. I'll see you in Lesson 3.